Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. Okay. So you have received a pack of homework from school, including maths. Okay. So I want to cover one chapter throughout this MCO. So make sure you print out the worksheet, and when you listen to this video, okay, you need to look at the worksheet because all examples here I will take from the worksheet. Make sure you print out the worksheet and then listen to this video. Okay, so I am trying to cover this chapter, which is the Pythagoras Theorem. This is in year 9 syllabus. Okay, if you listen carefully to this video, you should be able to do the worksheet. But if you still don't understand how to do it, you can simply contact me. You have my phone number, you can simply WhatsApp or video call me, doesn't matter, okay, at any time. Okay, so we need to understand the concept of hypotenuse before we proceed with the theorem. Title for today is Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, before we proceed with the lesson, you need to understand the concept of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is actually the longest, I have written here, the longest side in a right angle triangle. We need to make sure we have a right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is just a triangle where one of the angle is 90 degree. Okay, example, if I just draw like that, one triangle. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle because I have one of the angle is 90 degree. Okay, if let's say I draw second triangle, something like this. Let's make it smaller, something like this. Something like this. Okay, so this is not a right angle triangle. Why is it not a right angle triangle? Because there's no 90 degree angle in one of the angle. You need to have at least one 90 degree angle. Okay, so this is not a right angle triangle. Okay, hypotenuse can only occur if you have a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is not. Okay. So, I have the first side here. Can I just label? First side, second side, and then third side here. Okay. So, which one is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse must be the longest side, and it is always perpendicular. It is not, sorry, it is always opposite. It is always opposite to the right angle triangle. This is the 90 degree angle. Hypotenuse must be opposite to the 90 degree angle. So opposite. Okay. So this is what we call the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. That's how we spell. Okay. Hypotenuse. It doesn't matter how is the position of my triangle. Let's say I have something like this. Okay. So I just rotate my triangle. So now this is my 90 degree. Okay. So now where is the hypotenuse? Remember, hypotenuse must always be opposite to the 90 degree angle. So that's 90 degree angle. So opposite. So that is the hypotenuse. I just label H. Okay. So if you have your triangle something like maybe like that. Okay. So this is the 90 degree angle. So where is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse must be opposite. Opposite maksudnya depan. Okay, opposite. So that is the hypotenuse. Okay. Okay. So can I just erase it? If you think you need to copy or make a notes, you have your notebook. You can just simply pause this video and then copy first. Okay. Okay. So next one is. Okay, so usually we label the sides. We label the three sides. This is the 90 degree angle. We label the three sides as A, B, and C. So usually this is how we label a right angle triangle. A as in the hypotenuse, and then B and C. B and C you can switch position, doesn't matter. But A remain as the longest side, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, one formula that relate all sides here is A square equals to B square plus C square. So this is what we call a hypotenuse, a Pythagoras theorem. So this is what we call a Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem where you can calculate any of the side of your triangle. Okay, For example, let's look at the example. You refer to your worksheet. Okay, I want to do exercise 9.1 here. Okay, question number 1. I show you question number 1 and 2, and then you do the rest. I have put the answer at the end of the worksheet. Please check your answer. If you get a different answer, you can simply call me. You can simply message me, check, right? And then I can check your workings and we'll see which one you got it wrong. Okay. So, question is refer to your question, refer to your worksheet. Number 1. Okay, find the hypotenuse, which is the A. Okay. In each case, given the values of B and C. Okay, let's say question number 1 here. If you want to draw, can also. Okay, let's just draw. Okay. And then, stated in the question, the B is 5 cm. So, put 5 cm here. Okay. And then C is 12 cm. Put 12 cm here. Okay. So, now this is the A, hypotenuse. Okay. So, that's the A hypotenuse. Okay. So, now, question asks us to find A. The formula that relates all sides is A square equals to B square plus C square. So this is what we want to find. So what is your B? That is just 5. Key in inside the formula, which is 5 square plus 12 square. So when you calculate, use your calculator. Just calculator, okay? 25 plus 144. You will get 169. But this is A square. This is not A. Question asks for A. Okay, we don't want A square. So, how to get A? A is actually, this is square, okay? So, A, to get A, you take the square root of 169. Square cross equal sign becomes square root, okay? So, you just press your calculator, you will get your A equals to 13 cm. So, that's how you do, okay? If you don't understand, pause and then try to do on your own, okay? Now, question number 2. Question number 2. Now I don't want to draw. I just want to use the formula straight away. Okay, you don't have to draw. Drawing the triangle here won't give you mark. Okay, only the formula here will give you mark. Okay, so now still we want to find A. Given that B equals to 15 cm, D equals to 15, and then C equals to 8. And then question asks for A. What is the value of A? According to the formula, A square equals to B square plus C square. Formula you need to remember because formula will not be given to you in exam. Okay, you need to remember this formula. Okay, so A square equals to 15 square. B is 15, just key in inside. Plus 8 square. Okay, so use your calculator. You will get 15 square plus 8 square. You will get 289. But that is A square. I don't want A square. I want A. So use your calculator again. Square cross equal sign becomes square root. So square root of 289, you will get square root of answer. You will get 17 cm. Okay, that's how you do. Very easy. So try to do 9.1, exercise 9.1 here up until question 8. Try to do all. You can check your answer at the back. If you get a decimal answer, please take 3 significant figures only. Okay? Okay, so now let's proceed to part B. I need to get a tissue. Wait. Okay, so look at the second exercise, which is 9.2. Okay, so now question, find the shorter side B given the values of A hypotenuse and the third side C. Okay, let's say we want to do number 1. Okay, given that A is equals to 2.5, B we don't know, question asks for B, and then C is equals to 2. Okay, so if you draw the triangle, okay, you don't have to draw. I just draw for the first one only so that I can guide you guys better. Okay, so A, given that this is 2.5, your B, which is here, we don't know. And then your C is 2. Okay, So according to the formula, it's A square equals to B square plus C square. That's the formula. Okay. So key in inside. It's 2.5 square equals to. You might ask me why do I put a bracket here? It doesn't. You don't have to put. I just put because it's decimal. Okay. If you don't want, don't put. Okay, don't put. Okay. And then we have B square plus C, which is 2 square. We want to find B. So when you want to find B, you need to make sure you rearrange, leave B alone as your subject. Okay, so we have 2.5 square minus 2 square equals to B square. Why is it minus? Because this is positive. Positive, you cross equal sign becomes negative. Okay, so that one, you use your calculator, you just calculate 2.5 square minus 2 square. You will get your B square is equals to 2.25. But that is B square. We don't want B square, we want B only. So again, can I just continue at the side here? Okay, so again, can I just put B square equals to 2.25? Tak nak lah. Okay, so B equals to square cross equal sign becomes square root. Square root of 2.25. You just press your calculator, you will get your B is equals to 1.5. Okay, B can be on the right, on the left, doesn't matter. As long as your B is alone. Okay, second question. Look at the worksheet, okay? So now, I don't want to draw anymore. I simply use the formula. So A is equals to 8.5. Your B, we don't know what is the B. C is equals to 4. According to the formula again, A square equals to B square plus C square. This is actually very easy to remember. A square, B square, C square. It's just according to the alphabet order. Very easy to remember. You just need to make sure you know that the position of A is the hypotenuse, which is opposite. Must be opposite to the right angle triangle, to the 90-degree angle. Okay? So, that is just 8.5 square equals to B square plus 4 square. We want to find B, leave B as a subject. So B square is equals to 8.5 square minus 4 square. Why is it minus? Because positive, you cross equal sign becomes negative. Okay, press your calculator, you will get 8.5 square minus push 16. You will get your B square is equals to 88.25. But that is B square. I want B only. So B, take the square root. 88.25. Take the square root, answer. You will get, okay, your B is just equals to 9.39. That's it. Okay, that's how you do. You can get a decimal, doesn't matter. You just need to make sure that you give your answer in 3 significant figures only. You don't have to take all, okay? Okay, so that's all for the lesson. Please try to do all questions, especially this one here, this part here, okay? Because that is like similar to your exam question. Try to do all. If you don't understand, please message me. So I expect you guys to finish this before the MCO. Before 14 April. Try to complete everything. Okay, see you guys later.